like card I introduced to you. It is the most loved video on my channel, but some expert gave me very shocking and sharp criticism. On the review they said, this 15-degree card mathematically it's not 15 degrees. And you said the factory angle is the best. Why do you suddenly recommend 15 degrees? Let me be honest, mathematically they are 100% correct. So did I give you the wrong information? Today I will openly explain this controversy. Watch this video until the end. You will see why this wrong math actually gives the most reliable result. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the geometric error. Many experts pointed this out. The core point is this: knives are not flat like paper. They have thickness and they already have primary bevel. So if you put a 15-degree card on it, the actual angle is not 15 degrees. It is mathematically correct. Let's calculate. Imagine the standard knife spine is 3mm, width is 50mm. Using the tangent formula, the slope is about 1.7 degrees. So it is almost 16.7 degrees. That is a fact. Also, you don't even need math. A lot of geometry types of kitchen knife is out there. It depends on the designer's intent. Some knives are thin, some knives are thick, and the error could be 1 degree or even 3 degrees. However, the reality is different. We are not robots. When sharpening by hand, our wrist wobbly just by breathing. Even experts have some error. But I assure you, this small error is not a problem for cutting. The goal of this card is not a perfect 15 degrees. The key is consistency. It helps you keep the same angle yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Still worried about the math? Simple. Just make a 15-degree card instead. Or calculate your knife and make suitable one. That's it. Second, the logical contradiction. The one comment said, you said the factory angle is perfect, but then you recommend 15 degrees. That doesn't make sense. Yes, the factory angle is the ideal answer. But there is practical problem. In most cases, we simply don't know that initial angle. And maintaining the exact angle while calculating all the errors is very hard. That is why I propose 15 degrees. It is safe standard suggested by most manufacturers. If you don't know the factory angle, don't worry. Just set it to 15 degrees. And some comments said, just buy a sharpening system or using a rolling sharpener, don't waste time. Honestly, if you have the budget, that might be the answer. I also used to use them. They are great tools, but there's a problem. They are expensive. The device costs money, and replacing sharpener parts costs more than usual sharpening stones. But what if you already have whetstone at home? With this card, no cost. It is fast and accurate. Expensive gear or my card technique, the principle is the same. Keeping the angle consistent. Of course, it requires a little technique. And some also suggested mobile apps. That is also a great idea. If that is comfortable for you, use it. The point is not what tool you use. Expensive gear, a mobile or this card, the best tool is the one that is comfortable for you. Choose your method and just enjoy the process. I want to thank all the experts for sharing their knowledge. Your information helps everyone watching this video. But my reason for this video is different. I wanted to lower the barrier to entry. YouTube has too much information. Beginner gets scared and try just to get more and more information for accuracy. So they never even try. I wanted to tell you, it doesn't have to be perfect. This piece of card enough for your kitchen life. So please start comfortably. Expert advice is always welcome, but for beginner, don't let the deep debates scare you. Just think there is a world of master down there. I don't need it yet. And just try the simple steps. If you are ready to start, I prepared full sharpening tutorial. It is easy to follow. Watch this video next. Thanks for watching and stay sharp.